La caca.
Hello, pretty. How are you? Excuse me. Let me calm down. Let me.
You went to sleep with a man, with a boy,
Wow.
of your husband. You are a
Oh, I love what I'm seeing.
Really?
Yes. Well, my name is Okay Handsome. Hope you don't mind. Wow.
So this is.
Oh, wow.
Wait, are you the owner of this car?
Actually, as you can see, this is one of my toys.
One of your toys?
Yes.
Wait.
I have
You
many.
mean this is one of your toys?
Yes, I have a lot of luxury at home. Where are you heading to?
I'm headed to that junction. I don't know if you can give me a
No, hey, after that junction, where I'm going this way, but because of your beauty, I can reverse.
Really good.
I like you already.
I'm in love already.
Wow. You like me?
I like you
me?
already. Yeah.
Oh, tough for me again, baby girl. Wow. Come on, relax on my Benzema. Beautiful. What's the name?
That looks like my Benz.
Hey!
Anyway, I'm not the only one who has Benz in this town. And
don't worry.
same color.
You with money.
Okay.
I will destroy your life with cash.
Kill me with money.
I love your vibe already.
Why must this car washer delay this much? And I have a meeting. Okay, let me be walking out.
See this man, oh, he dey form chief. See that this one asked me out yesterday. He dey form chief wey no get money. See how he be from head to toe. They dey see people with red cap. Only God know who carry this red cap come out.
Don't have the time. Let me call this car wash. If she didn't see me walking, how can she be insulting me like this?
Don't mind this man. I will do more. I will. My phone is ringing. Hello? Okay.
How come? Are you the boy from Premier Car Wash?
Yes, sir. You are the owner of this car, sir.
Oh, yeah, let me have the key to my car.
Sorry, sir. Please.
Is it that I don't know my car again?
Sorry.
Get away from me.
Come on for press the car.
Very rubbish setup.
Wetin be this?
Setup.
Jesus.
You have the mind to stand here and insult her. I need to be careful with all this car wash.
Sorry, sir.
Wow. Fear women.
So no be you get this car.
No be me get her.
No be you get this car. You come here, they lie for me saying that you get car.
Now car wash I tell they walk. You yourself, man, ask you. Just because of this small car when I wash, you don't love me just now. So you don't love me again.
So now for me, they form all this why.
Form now, but you don't love me again. Let's continue our love.
Your love, your nonsense love go that side.
Oh, my nipple!